Is it time to buy or sell Bitcoin? I don't know. Maybe I can check with my brother. Bro, come in.
Hey yo, my little brother, thanks for inviting me here. Okay, now I'm going to share with you a Bitcoin price analysis.
Hold on. Okay, before we continue, this is not a financial advice. Everything me, my brother, or anyone else share with you are just for entertainment and for education. Okay, do not take this as a financial advice. And if you want to trade, do your own research.
First, we look at a daily chart. Okay, when you see a daily chart, what I figure out is that upward movement. This is a uptrend. Okay, it's considered, it looks very bullish, but okay, it does look like a upward broadening pattern also. Upward broadening pattern, it is considered a bit more bearish also. Okay, and let's say if you zoom a bit into the top side here. Okay, if you notice, we connect the low and the low, right? There is look like a head and shoulder pattern, and it already break down head and shoulder pattern. But considering the wick here, so it tells me that there are a lot of people rejecting this here. A lot of people rejecting this, okay, this part. So, and now if price able to reach higher than the neckline, there could be a possibility of price moving higher, okay, to reach the resistance level. So if the price still maintain below the neckline, it could be going towards, okay, the bottom channel. This is what I see from a daily chart. If we look at a 4-hour chart, currently 4 hour is on a mid or short term, depending on how we look at it, downtrend. At this moment, recording this video, there is a good bullish candle with a good decent volume. So if the price have stayed below the 50% of channel line for the past 3 attempts, today it just break out of the channel. So it shows that buyer and the market respect the line, and the buyer are stronger than the seller. Okay, so this is what happened. So what I think is there could be a good chance in the short term that price would move up to the channel. Okay. So what will happen after this is the previous chart. There is a strong resistance here, which it could be possible that the price will move there in the mid term or short term. Okay, so I would like to look into the order flow of Bitcoin. For anyone who see this first time in your life, okay, this is a heat chart, okay, developed to show the limit buy and limit sell of Bitcoin or other coin. So what you can see now is there are a short-term demand over here. Okay, here. So what I can see now is there could be a push of price up to the 30,000 level, because there is a high liquidity here. A lot of sellers have placed their limit sell at $30,000. Okay, so
Hey, what are you talking about?
alright. Okay, let me simplify this for you. Okay, so I look at this as the most important factor in my forecasting, because this is what people buy and sell, and this is what move the market, right? The price of Bitcoin. So like when you look at the bid here, that means somebody placed a big order, they want to buy here. Okay, then when you see somebody place an ask order here, that means they want to sell. So by putting in so much of a limit bid order, the buy order, okay, it represents that a lot of buyers at this moment at the bottom, they are interested in buying. Okay, so if price does not move up immediately, there could be a chance that it move down, absorb all this buy or this bid, okay, before turning up. Okay, but if the seller is strong enough, it could also go down. But at this scenario, okay, it look more bullish to me.
Hey bro, okay, so what should we do next?
Okay, so if you ask me about an action plan, I would think that now it could be a good time to buy from here and exit from here. Okay, this could be a good move. So what I would guess, but of course nothing is 100% in trading. I could be wrong, but it just I feel that the probability of this happening is higher. So I could buy, I could put a limit buy here around this area. Sorry, around this, not this area. Okay, this area. What happened here is if it can go down below the low, then it could trigger a good stop loss and price move back up. Okay, or you can actually consider also buying around this area. Okay. Then target wise, I would think this trend line somewhere below 30,000 at the top here, okay, will be a good target as well. Okay, this is the action plan that I would consider. Okay, but there's no 100% because I can be wrong as well. So do your own research before you jump into any trade.
Hey bro, you are useless now. You can go off the screen, okay? Bye. So, I hope all you guys, if you like this video, like and subscribe. And remember to share with your friend and family. Okay, bye.